Hey, hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to do a review about a couple of Poprace models. Poprace, a pretty new Diecast brand on the market when it comes to 164. A while ago I've ordered my first Poprace model to give it a try and I was really pleased. It was this model, did already a review about it, but it's always good to refresh your memory. Okay, let's start with the first one. This Golf GTI in a WRC livery. Here we got the package. You can see Poprace is active on social media. Okay, you see it's still wrapped in the plastic. So let's use my knife. There we go. I like these kind of package because no screws, you can take it out very easily, and when you're done with the model you can also put it back for storage. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah. So we have nice rubber tires here. I like the rims. We have the front, we have lanced headlights, we have the Golf logo in the middle. Two side mirrors, I like that, and also a mirror for looking back. And I believe here in the back we have an opening part, yes. Maybe I can use some extra light. So here we get the trunk. A detail from the exhaust. Kind of like the tires, the profile. You can say the rims are a little bit too wide, but I like that. Low profile. You can see it's a metal base, lots and lots of details. So yeah, very good casting. Can we look inside to see the interior? Yep, here we got the interior. So that's definitely good steering wheel. Golf steering wheel, I remember it. My parents had a car like this one, not the GTI, just the normal version. Okay, let's put it here on the parking lot. Now we're going to look at this one, and this is a collab from xcar Toys and Poprace. Also, Golf GTI MK2, yes, 1/64 scale. So here we have the package. And this is a pretty cool model, and I'm also really happy that it is a collab with xcar Toys, and I'm going to show you why. Because basically it is the same model, also with an opening part here in the back. But this one has a license plate. And that's because of the collab with xcar Toys, because xcar Toys is using more license plate on their models, and that makes the car very realistic. German car, so German license plate. I like that. I also like the combination with the golden rims with red. Really cool, yeah. Same base, same tires, and also same interior. Also the same steering wheel. But the license plate makes it absolutely a little bit better. Then we have also the Golf GTI MK2, but in a gray version. This is only Poprace, and I believe there is no license plate. Yeah, well, there is something on the license plate. Let's see. Let's use the other camera. SDC And then it says something, but I can't read it. Maybe you can. But in my opinion, it was better if it has a German license plate. Color is really nice in this gray. Again, with an opening part in the back. We see the windscreen wiper is molded in the glass here on the back. Interior is the same as the other one. And I can show you. Dashboard looks also pretty realistic and accurate. Yeah, metal base, same tires. The wheels are rolling really well. Hey, I see no. Oh, there is a mirror here in the middle. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. Then we're going to have a look at this Porsche. 4 Porsches in total. It also comes with some decals. I don't know what this is, but okay. Also still wrapped in the plastic, so it's going to be the first time for me that I'm going to see this model. I've ordered a similar Porsche from Tarmac. Not sure, I just received a big package. It could be that it's in there. If so, I'm going to do a review where I compare the one from Poprace and Tarmac. RWB Red, the 997. Here we got the package. Again, Poprace active on the social media. You can look it up yourself. There we go. Oh, that is very good looking. Very nice rims. Good rolling wheels. No opening part on this one. We got lanced headlights. Windscreen wipers are molded in the glass. Rough worlds. Side mirrors are also, I think it's hard plastic, maybe diecast. Philadelphia, nice. The exhausts here and the back. Lanced rear lights. There's even a roll cage inside. And here we got the base. Nice, those white tires. These are big tires here in the back. I like that. Not much details, but it is a metal base. Perfect looking model. Really nice. I like it. Yeah, don't forget the interior. Yeah, that looks like a Porsche steering wheel to me. Pretty big steering wheel, I have to say. It's more a steering wheel for a bus, but I believe the steering wheel from a Porsche like this is pretty big. Okay, let's put this right here. Then we're going to the next Porsche. I think I also did a review about this one. Whoop. Yeah, perfect rolling wheels. I like this artwork on the car. Not sure what this is. Maybe some of you guys know what it is. Please leave a message in the comment if so. Metal base with some details. Lanced headlights. Let's take a look at the nice steering wheel here. Not sure if you can see it yet. And also a roll cage. Well, looks like a roll cage. Yes, it is the roll cage. Very cool model. Here we got the back, also lens rear lights, nice spoiler. Perfect. Okay, then I ordered this one because there is a surfboard on top. And I'm living close to the beach. But when it comes with an accessory, I always think it's much better. Okay. We got the package. Singer 964 purple. Oh, it comes with even 2 surfboards. That's cool. I like that. Okay, let's take them off carefully. Don't break anything. Whoop. We got the car. Cool thing is, you can also use these surfboards for other diecasts to make a photo. Okay, let's take a look at the car first. Maybe it's to fill the gas tank. Yeah, that must be it. But the engine is in the back. Well, it might be possible. Wow, nice rims. I like those rims. Classic rims. Storage rack here on top. Windscreen wipers mounted in the glass. We have a mirror to look backwards, lanced front lights. Just like the other Porsche, but it's the same model. We got the same base, same exhaust. Side mirrors. Yeah, these cars are looking very realistic. I like that. Okay, let's have a look inside. Some details on the dashboard. Authentic steering wheel. Okay, and how does it look with the surfboards on top? I believe you have to do something like this. You can decide to glue those on top, but it's better not, because it's also cool when you do it like this and you make a photo. So you can put them in the sand or leaning against the car. Something like this. Okay, then we got the Porsche. I already did a review about it. My first Poprace model. And certainly not my last. Because I know a lot more cool models are coming. Made by Poprace. Including a Mercedes-Benz E90. A very nice McLaren. Really cool, really well done. And it comes with a nice classic suitcase. Or on top of the car. Okay, then we have this one, and I believe it has an opening part here in the front. GTR R34 Stygia. Not sure, but I think there are different colors from this model. And I've ordered this one because of the engine details. Let's have a look. Feels pretty heavy. Really heavy model. My God. Yes, I like black rims. Especially with this gray, it's a good combination. Lanced rear lights. Oh, definitely needs a license plate. I can do something about that. Got some heating in the rear window. The windscreen wiper is not molded in the glass. It's a piece of plastic right here. Also like this right here. Nice detail. But the most important thing is the... How can I open this? Maybe right here. Yeah, there we go. Check this out. That's awesome. I like this a lot. This is very good looking. Big intercooler here in front. And here we got the base. No details. We got slicks. Definitely made for the track. Normal screws. If you want something with it, custom, no problem. Really cool model. Put it right here inside. Then the last one. They already made a new version of this one, which is also very good looking. I'm not... I don't like racing models that much. Sometimes I buy a race model. But this one was so good looking on the photos. Nice tires. We got the brake disc. Color is looking fantastic. Aston Martin Racing. Nice here on the hood, the air intake, lanced headlights. What a beauty. Roll cage inside. Nice base, slick tires that are rolling really well. Let's take a look inside. It's a little bit difficult to see. Ooh, we got a nice racing steering wheel. Can you see it? That's really cool. And I think we only have one seat. Yes, roll cage. Check out that dashboard. This is very realistic. Well done, Poprace. This model is definitely a winner. I'm not sure if you can see it, but really well done. Yeah, Poprace is definitely a very good diecast brand, new on the market, and I love their 164 models. And I'm really curious what more models Poprace is coming in the future. Michelin here on the tires. Sick. Okay, let me know what you think about these Poprace models. For now, I have to say, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please thumbs up, you really help me with that, and have a very nice day. See you soon. Bye.